Unveiling the most advanced weaponry. The future of warfare. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of cutting-edge technology and exploring the most advanced weaponry that will shape the future of warfare. Before we start, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Technological change continues at an increasing pace, especially for military technology, with its widespread, institutionalized research and development. Near-future technologies include true drones, robotic weapon systems, nanotechnologies of warfare, and autonomous weapon systems. Combining improved sensors, automation, and artificial intelligence with hypersonic and other advanced technologies will produce more accurate, better connected, faster, longer range, and more destructive weapons, primarily available to the most advanced militaries but some within reach of smaller state and non-state actors. The proliferation and diffusion of these systems over time will make more assets vulnerable, heighten the risk of escalation, and make combat potentially more deadly, though not necessarily more decisive. So now, let's unveil some mind-boggling innovations that will redefine the very nature of warfare. First up, autonomous weapons systems. Swarms of robots with the ability to destroy things and humans are no longer only the stuff of science fiction. Autonomous weapon systems are any weapons that select and apply force to targets without human intervention. A person activates an autonomous weapon, but they do not know specifically who or what it will strike, nor precisely where and or when that strike will occur. This is because an autonomous weapon is triggered by sensors and software, which match what the sensors detect in the environment against a target profile. Proponents of fully autonomous weapons systems argue that the technology will keep soldiers out of harm's way by keeping them off the battlefield. They will also allow for military decisions to be made at superhuman speed, allowing for radically improved defensive capabilities. Next up, directed energy weapons, also known as DEWs. One of the major areas of global interest for scientists and engineers today is that of directed energy weapons. Directed energy weapons use concentrated electromagnetic energy to combat enemy forces and assets. These weapons include high-energy lasers and other high-power electromagnetics, such as millimeter wave and high-power microwave weapons. Unlike weapons that fire bullets or missiles, DEWs can respond to a threat in different ways. For example, they can temporarily degrade electronics on a drone or physically destroy it. The term directed energy weapon is used as a catch-all to encapsulate a number of different technologies under one umbrella. These technologies are all at different levels of maturity, therefore talking about DEWs as a whole omits important nuances between the different types. Three main systems come under this umbrella term: laser-based systems, radio frequency systems, and particle beam systems. Direct energy weapons could provide a number of capabilities and advantages over traditional weapons due to their speed of light delivery, precision engagement, controlled or scalable effects, logistical benefits, and low cost per shot. When we talk about a few advantages of directed energy weapons, they are very precise in making the correct attack on their targets, fast-moving objects. This makes them a preferred choice when compared to conventional munitions. Some other advantages of DEWs are unlimited magazines, multiple target area coverage, and noise-free operation. They are extensively installed in land vehicles, military ships, aircraft, and even crewless vehicles. We are moving on to the next, electromagnetic railguns. A railgun is a type of electrical weapon that uses electromagnetic force to propel a projectile at high speeds. It is an interesting area of engineering because it combines elements of electrical, mechanical, and materials engineering. Unlike traditional firearms that use chemical combustion to generate force, a railgun relies on the principles of magnetism to generate an extremely high-velocity launch. This makes railguns an attractive option as they can launch projectiles over long distances with incredible accuracy and speed. By design, railguns are intended to be among the most powerful projectile launchers in the world. An electromagnetic railgun is designed to launch projectiles toward their target at velocities several orders of magnitude faster than the speed of sound. Land or ship-based railguns with Mach 6 capabilities are understood to have practical ranges of roughly 126 miles or 110 nautical miles at sea. Brace yourselves for an amazing breakthrough: hypersonic weapons. A hypersonic weapon is a weapon capable of traveling at hypersonic speed, defined as between 5 and 25 times the speed of sound, or about 1 to 5 miles per second. There are two main categories of hypersonic weapons: hypersonic glide vehicles and hypersonic cruise missiles. Hypersonic glide vehicles are launched from a rocket. The glide vehicle then separates from the rocket and glides at speeds of at least Mach 5 toward a target. High-speed, air-breathing engines power hypersonic cruise missiles. The ability to launch highly maneuverable weapons at hypersonic speeds gives any country a considerable advantage because such weapons can evade just about any defense system currently in use. The primary reason nations are developing these next-generation hypersonic weapons is how difficult they are to defend against due to their speed, maneuverability, and flight path. Hypersonic missiles with conventional, non-nuclear warheads are primarily useful against high-value targets, such as an aircraft carrier. Being able to take out such a target could have a significant impact on the outcome of a major conflict. The United States, Russia, and China are all developing hypersonic weapons. Additional countries are researching weapons, while others have made claims about testing hypersonic weapons that cannot yet be verified. Finally, cyber warfare. Cyber warfare is usually defined as a cyber attack or series of attacks that target a country. It has the potential to wreak havoc on government and civilian infrastructure and disrupt critical systems, resulting in damage to the state and even loss of life. In other words, cyber warfare involves the actions by a nation-state or international organization to attack and attempt to damage another nation's computers or information networks through, for example, computer viruses or denial-of-service attacks. Cyber warfare typically involves a nation-state perpetrating cyber attacks on another, but in some cases, the attacks are carried out by terrorist organizations or non-state actors seeking to further the goal of a hostile nation. There are several examples of alleged cyber warfare in recent history, but there is no universal, formal definition for how a cyber attack may constitute an act of war. Cyber warfare can take many forms, but all of them involve either the destabilization or destruction of critical systems. This means cyber warfare may take several different shapes: attacks on financial infrastructure, attacks on public infrastructure like dams or electrical systems, attacks on safety infrastructure like traffic signals or early warning systems, and attacks against military resources or organizations. Viruses, phishing, computer worms, and malware can take down critical infrastructure. DDoS attacks that prevent legitimate users from accessing targeted computer networks or devices. Hacking and theft of critical data from institutions, governments, and businesses. Spyware or cyber espionage that results in the theft of information that compromises national security and stability. Ransomware holds control systems or data hostage. Propaganda or disinformation campaigns are used to cause serious disruption or chaos. I hope I revealed some knowledge about the most advanced weaponry that is set to redefine the battlefield. If you find this video more insightful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thanks for watching.